Hello, everyone. My name is Samuel Tete, the project coordinator and technical lead at Lexicon IT Solution. I welcome you to my screen once again on my final project, which has to do with the cloud solution proposal presentation. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go straight to the PowerPoint. Okay, so um, today I'll walk you through our hybrid cloud strategy to boost scalability, security and cost efficiency across our organization. So let's go straight to the second slide. So at a glance, our proposal leverages infrastructure as a service, in short IaaS. This is to give Lexicon flexible virtual machines, networking, and cloud resources with our on-premises system. Okay, and we can streamline workflows, adapt to client demand, and layer in robust security controls, okay, all while managing costs more predictably, okay. So, so on cloud designs and uh, cloud principles and design, uh, here is the foundation actually, okay. And Lexicon is an Accra-based IT consulting firm with 25 employees supporting custom solutions for SMBs. Uh, we will adapt to a hybrid cloud model, keeping sensitive data and legacy apps on premises while using cloud IaaS for development, testing, and client deployment. This phase approach minimizes risk and also ensures seamless integrations between our data center and the cloud. Okay, so that pushes us to slide number 4. Sorry. So on networking, teledata ICT fiber gives us reliable internet, UPC backups, and mobile hotspots cover outages, secure remote access, right, over an IPsec VPN tied into Azure Active Directory. So to bridge on-premises to cloud, we will extend our network with Azure virtual networks for global web traffic. Okay, cloud first CDNs catches our sites worldwide and fends off DDoS attacks. So on storage, we are looking at using OneDrive for business for everyday document collaboration, Amazon S3 for large long-term data archives with granular lifecycle policies, and then thirdly, encrypted on-premise NAS for creative and proprietary files that require the highest control. Okay, so I think yeah. So I I made that clear. So that pushes us to slide number 6, and so assessing our cloud needs. Basically, our current on-premises virtual machines hit 95% CPU spikes during peak processing and disk throughput of 120 megabytes per second. Uh, slow analytics. Okay, so uptime hovers at 99.5, below our 99.9% target. The cloud addresses gaps, these gaps by enabling real-time and real-time analytics dashboards for faster decision making, um, automated CI/CD pipelines, and infrastructure as code to replace manual deployment, and cloud workload protection. Okay, cloud workload protection. Sorry, cloud workload protection, web application firewalls, and CIEM, CIEM integration to move beyond perimeter only security. Okay, so we move to the seventh slide where we talk of the vendor engagement. So financially, we pivot from uh, capital expenditure hardware buys to operational expenditures, okay, which is pay as you go billing. So we evaluate both the Azure and AWS and Azure One for each deep integration with our existing Microsoft 365 environment and enterprise features like the express route and Azure Arc. Okay, and we will validate performance and cost through a focus proof of concept spinning app test virtual machines, deploying a sample app, and also measuring metrics like startup, network latency, and monthly spend. All right, so that should take us to the eighth slide. Okay, so um, we'll be looking at management and technical operations here. So at Lexicon, we embrace a DevOps culture, uh, so as we can automate provisioning with Terraform and ARM templates, okay? And stand up CI/CD, sorry, pipelines to accelerate updates and patching. And we'll also use Azure Monitor and AWS CloudWatch for real-time alerts and logs. And on the financial side, we will adopt FinOps best practices, okay? And resource tagging by project and department. Also, you be using reserved and spot instances where appropriate, and monthly cost review to keep budget in check. Okay, so um, I will shift quickly to slide number 9 to talk a bit about the compliance and security. So basically, the security strategy is multi-layered in Lexicon, and it's a role-based access control, that is RBAC. This ensures least privilege assignment. And we also have the TLS, VPNs, encrypt data in transit. So AES 256 encrypts data at rest. Okay, so for the encryption, that is for the encryption. Then we also have the cloud native tool scans for uh, a vulnerability and monitor threats intelligence feeds. Okay, and we also on certification pursues certification and training, ensuring our team stays current on GDPR, ISO 27001, um, and other relevant certifications and standards. All right, so I would like to shift quickly to the 10th slide. So this is basically on governance and risk. So we've mapped up key risk data breaches, downtime lock-in, and defined responses, and then also mitigate breaches with strong firewalls and continuous backup. Okay, we'll also be accepting minor performance fluctuations, but also track them quarterly. Okay, and we'll transfer physical infrastructure risk to the cloud provider. Sorry, uh, to prevent vendor lock-in. We'll package applications in containers, and export data in open format. and architect with portability in mind. Finally, new policies covering access control, change management, and incident responses will formalize our governance model. Okay, so basically, uh, in summary, our hybrid IaaS approach delivers agility, scalability, and a clear path to cost optimization. Okay, and we are confident this strategy will empower Lexicon to grow client offerings, secure sensitive workloads, and maintain operational intelligence and resilience. Resilience. Okay, and next I will recommend launching a short proof of concept on Azure, scheduling team training sessions, and also rolling out our cloud governance framework. All right, so thank you viewers for your time, and I'm happy to share with you um, our cloud proposal. Thank you for your time.